In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a video sharing website using Wix. Whether you're an entrepreneur wanting to share your creations with the world, or perhaps you're dabbling into an online collectible business, this step-by-step guide will help you set up a dynamic platform quickly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to visit Wix.com and sign up for a free account if you haven't done so already. Once you have your account set up, the next step is to click on Create New Site. You'll want to select Online Store as your preferred category. This is crucial as it's tailored to help you sell products or engage your audience effectively online. As you're going through the template options, look for one that's visually suitable for the type of content or products you're planning to showcase, whether it's collectibles, trading cards, or perhaps a hobby shop concept. Customizing the template to match your brand's colors and aesthetic is key, as this will not only make your site uniquely yours, but also help build brand recognition. Once you've set up the foundation, click on Edit Site. This is where you can really dive into customizing your space, adding the necessary touches to bring your vision to life. With that in place, head over to the Wix dashboard and click on Store Products. Here you can begin adding products. Utilize the Wix Video Gallery feature for handling video content efficiently by navigating through its settings. Don't forget to include a detailed description for each product, specifying conditions, editions, or rarity, and ensure your pricing strategy is competitive within the market landscape. An important tip here is to use tags or filters. This makes it significantly easier for visitors to locate specific items or videos, enhancing user experience. Enabling different payment options is next on the list. You can do this by going to Settings and then Accept Payments in your dashboard. Offering flexibility is a big plus, so consider options like credit or debit payments via Wix Payments or Stripe, PayPal, and even crypto payments if it resonates with your target audience. Always aim to create a smooth, secure checkout process to ensure customer satisfaction. While developing your product pages, aim for maximum impact by using high-quality images and providing detailed descriptions, including edition, rarity, and market value. Highlighting rare or featured items strategically can lure more eyes towards them. Having Add to Cart and Buy Now buttons prominently displayed ensures a seamless purchasing journey for your visitors. At this point, you're ready for a trial run. Click on Preview and navigate through your site as a potential visitor would. Test each element from product listings to the checkout process and ensure your payment gateways function as expected. Once everything looks good and works smoothly, it's time to make your site live. Simply click Publish, and there you have it, your very own video sharing platform on Wix.